more than you might get when you
good morning. It's Monday, September 14th, 2014.
Wildly competitive. We're going to put it on our
I'm only about 2 weeks behind now in processing videos. I've been working on this morning. I'm going to continue with this project, trying to get this couch moved out
We're going to give you the whole enchilada today.
over to this side.
In a host of beautiful colors, as you can see.
Got some more collapses.
You're going to get your tamper.
Also going to try to clear this area so that we can start putting stuff there for eBay and whatnot.
So you're going to be able to get the Vitamix Creation.
Trying to recapture this living room.
And then, of course, baking made simple. These are whole.
Nothing's coming in today for parts or anything, so that's about all I can really do. Well, my mom's been working on this area since yesterday. Still needs some work. Yeah, this box has to go, so I got it all cleared out.
I thought you were just moving it down.
No, we have to move it out so I can vacuum under it. Okay, that was quite the 2-day battle, getting this area cleared. I can pull this couch out so I can vacuum under the couch. Then I'll put it back, but I'll put it back offset over this side so we can use the wall area there for boxes. My brother's getting that other lamp. Well, it's kind of bad, but it's not as bad as I expected. I've been vacuuming the hell out of this house, so not many spiders to move the dust around. Okay, hi Kippy, you helping, are you? All this turmoil. Okay, we got all this junk. Gotta clean and vacuum out.
One of the toughest techniques.
Almost got this over. I have to vacuum as I go because I'm allergic to the spiders. I have to vacuum my way in or I'll get wiped out. Oh, there's the mess I figured was under there. Came in from the front. Okay, I'm going to clean that up and then I'll move the couch back over this side. I'll have to work on that area from a tunnel or something. Okay, I got this all vacuumed out. I'm going to move the couch back against the wall now. I didn't vacuum any spider webs on the top. I've been doing that now and then. They keep coming back somehow. Okay, that's all clear.
Can you grab me the phone?
Yeah. Well, here we are at the Portland Market again. Once you get market stuff. Well, that's about it. Pizza, milk she didn't have on the list, but we need. Bunch of Chef Boyardee garbage and some mayonnaise, peanut butter, and water.